Ready? Action!
You know, he sent me an actual invitation. Seems I'm the only one. I still haven't met Mr. Jongsby. No one's met him.
Afraid I haven't been the greatest host. Host board.
You see.